This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account in Qatar. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or download the mobile application on your device. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right, and select it. Then, choose to create a personal account. You will need to enter your mobile phone number, and PayPal will send a one-time security code to verify your identity. Next, you will fill in your personal details. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address, and creating a secure password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for strong security. You will also need to provide your date of birth and your nationality, followed by your complete residential address in Qatar. Now, it is time to link a payment method to your new PayPal account. You can choose to link a Qatari bank account or a debit or credit card. PayPal will then initiate a small verification process, often involving 2 small deposits or a unique code sent to your bank statement. Confirm these details within your PayPal account to complete the linking process. This is crucial for sending and receiving funds. Finally, ensure you complete any further verification steps PayPal might require, such as confirming your email address. Take a moment to review PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy to understand the terms of service. Once all steps are complete, your PayPal account is fully set up and ready for use. You can now confidently make online payments and manage your transactions with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.